Hello. Okay, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this trade live with Precise Trader. Uh, okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use the information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of a trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So with that, we move on to our live trades and analysis. Okay, do take note of the data out. Okay, there isn't any data out tonight. Okay, so I think market is expected to continue its direction as long as we don't see any big movement. Okay, now let's move on to our live analysis. Okay, we are seeing the gold break the previous high. Okay, looks like we may see the price moving higher. So right now I think this is we are seeing the high at 56. So what we are going to do is we are going to try to buy at 53 half. Okay, let me see. Okay, 46. 46 should be our stop loss. 50 half 46. Okay, so we expect the gold to go higher. So what we will do is we will try to buy at 53 half. Okay, 53 half, 2953 half, stop at 49 half, and TP at 58 or 67. I think we put at 67, and expiry is we will give another 1 hour. Okay, then for if you call yourself an aggressive trader, okay, you can even buy at 54. Okay, 54 or 54 half. Okay, so we are going to have one more order. Try to buy at 50 half. Two nine. Put it as 50, yeah, instead of 50 half. 2950 and 2946. Stop. And this one we'll try to exit at 2958. 58. And this is also a half lot, and this is probably we'll give another half an hour more. So we have two orders to go for a buy. One is trying to buy at 53 or even higher. So we'll try to get into the trade because this is already breaking the high. Just hold on, let me key in my orders. Okay, so the next one we are going to see is dollar yen, I think we are trying to sell at 50.20. Okay, I think that one is still good. We'll try to enter the trade. And we don't see any other movement that is happening on the dollar. Okay, we have the dollar, we are not seeing any other movement or any other activities. Okay, so then what we will do is we will try to go into Dow Jones and Nasdaq and S&P. Okay, now let's see before we go into the trade, we will see whether we need to make any other changes. Give me a minute. Okay, the gold is filled. Just give me a minute. I'm also keying the orders. Just give me a minute. Okay, the gold, the 53 half is filled. 53 half is filled, and we'll try to exit, try to pay attention either at 58 or 64 or 67. Okay, we'll tell how we can close that trade while we wait. Okay, so then let's move on to our Dow Jones and Nasdaq. Okay, let me open the screen. If the gold if the price goes below 50, then there is a failure. Okay, so this one we have to pay attention to. So either we should be seeing the price moving higher, and if it moves back below 50, okay, 50, then there's a most likely chance that this is moving back into the range. So we just have to wait for this market and closely monitor. Okay, so now let's see Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones, we are seeing some weakness. Nasdaq is still flat. S&P is flat, and I think the rest all are flat. Okay, so we are seeing some weakness on FTSE as well. Okay, FTSE also we are seeing some weakness. Then if you look on to the daily, we are seeing some weakness on heating oil, platinum, natural gas, and these are the things we are seeing weakness on the daily. So now what we can do is we will try to look for an opportunity. Let's see the PT zones, okay, to see. Okay, Dow Jones is showing weakness. Dow Jones is showing weakness. Nasdaq, I think there is a support. Uh, DAX, we are seeing mixed, and we don't have FTSE here. FTSE, let me see here. I think we should have FTSE somewhere here. Yeah. Okay, FTSE, we are seeing weakness on the hourly and daily. Daily is mixed. Okay. Okay, now man, let's start off with Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones. What we feel is right now this market is trading at 435. No, sorry, 43703. Okay, market open at 527, and this has taken some support. So market is expected to push higher while above 590 and 625. So we should be looking to go for a buy on this, and we should see the 750 break. Okay, if the 750 breaks, then we can see 890 and 910. Okay, let's confirm that with the chart. Okay, so now the market is opened near the low, and the market has taken support at the low. Okay, 510 and 420. Okay, so now what we feel is we should see, I mean, this market has already started a correction up on the hourly, and we got to see whether have we seen the high. Okay, looks like we may have seen the correction over. Okay, let me double check. Okay, I'm getting all mixed signals. Six 600. I think gold is a failure again. Okay, we have the other one got stopped out. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see this first, then we go back to gold. Okay, so now what we can do, Okay, the stop we are going to put at 600, 600, and we are okay, we'll take it as the low is already seen. Okay, we already seen. Okay, right now, if the low is confirmed, we should be looking to buy. Okay, we will try to buy one at 720. Okay, try to buy Dow Jones at 720 and put a stop at 600, 600, and the TP we will try to put at 820 or higher. Okay, so we'll go one trade at buying at 720, then another trade we can go for 640, 640. Yeah, okay. So we'll go for one buy at 720, stop at 600, TP at 820. Then another one we'll go for a buy at 640, stop at 590, and that one we'll try to exit at 770. Okay, so we have two trades for Dow Jones. Okay, let's key in the order first. Okay, since we have two orders filled on the gold, okay, looks like this is a failure. So what we can do, the second trade, we will try to close at cost. Okay, to close at 50. Okay, don't take risk on this first, since we are already trying to exit this, so we don't want to take this risk. Okay, try to close that at 50, yeah, the second entry, and the first entry, let it get stopped out. Okay, let it work. So then we'll do a re-entry again. Okay, we do a re-entry again. Now let's move on to our Dow Jones. So the gold we have stopped out, so we'll try to re-enter again. Okay, let's wait for a re-entry again. Okay, now Dow Jones is trading at 710, 710. So we will try to buy at 700. Stop at 600, TP 820. Okay, the condition is we should see the price moving above 750. Okay, wait, let me see. I think we can get it cheaper. Just hold on. 680. 680. Okay, we'll put it at 680. Sorry. 680, stop 600, TP 820. Okay, expiry until 11. Okay, key in this order. Then let me key in this as well. Okay, so so the gold okay, we have closed, we have stopped out. We'll try to re-enter again. So now the next one we can go for Nasdaq. Okay, the Nasdaq current day low is 21676. Okay, right now this is trading within the range. Okay, the range is 2170. Okay, 2170 and 21805. Okay, what we can do, we can go for a buy. Okay, let me share the chart. Let me share the chart. Okay, we can go right now. We should be exiting before 805 or 770. Okay, 770. Then we should be looking to buy at 21710. Okay, 21710. Okay, let me see. So TP should be 770 and entry should be 740. Okay, 740 or 715. Okay, let me see our stop loss. Top loss below 690. Okay, so we will try to buy one at 740 or 720. Okay, which one we have to decide? Okay, 720. 720. Okay, 720. Okay, 720. And if this high breaks, we can see higher. Okay, so we'll try to buy at 720, stop at 690, and TP at 7. Can't get that figure. Okay, we'll put it as 795. Okay, 795. Okay, let's try this trade. Nasdaq. Buy at 720, stop at 690 and 21785. Okay, there's only about 65 pips and this is until 11 o'clock. Okay, we'll wait for this main market to come in. Okay, we have 3 more minutes for this markets to come in. Okay, so while we are waiting for that, I think we can go back to the gold. Okay, gold where we got stopped out. We'll try to do a re-entry. Okay, gold looks like it is a failure. Okay, this is a failure again. So we should be holding sell. let me do that. Okay, hold on. Let me key in my Nasdaq. Okay, gold looks like a failure again. Okay, now I think we should be looking to try to sell at 50 half. 50 half and see whether we can see 36 or lower. Okay, so gold, I think the market has already failed. Okay, has already failed. So we'll try to go for 50 half. So now we are changing the sentiment for gold. Because just now I thought we broke the high, but I think it failed. So we'll try again since we already lost that amount. So we'll just try to put with a stop above the high. 56 half and 36 half. That means it's a $14 move that we can capitalize on. So try to get into the trade for gold also. Okay, we have 1 more minute for the main market to come in. So let's see the price, whether the price is for Dow Jones and Nasdaq. So we're trying to concentrate on these three. See, gold I think is falling faster. I think it was a failure, you know. Okay, gold is already low now, is 42 half. Okay, I don't think we can get that 56. Okay, the Dow Jones I think is failed. Dow Jones is filled at 680. Okay, your Dow Jones is filled, right? So can you see how many of your order is filled? Okay, my price is not updated yet. Okay, this is filled. Okay, gold I think we missed, and we are waiting for the Nasdaq. Okay, the Nasdaq we are seeing higher. Okay, I think we missed that entry. Only the Dow Jones is filled, and the gold also, I think the selling we have already missed. Okay, we should have shorted at 50 49 half. Okay, give me a minute. I'm just putting the order. Yeah. Okay, Nasdaq now is 745. We are trying to buy at 720. Okay, we are trying to buy at 720. Okay, now we are seeing Nasdaq about 38. Okay, still not filled yet. Okay, we see only the Dow Jones is filled. Huh? Nasdaq we are still trying to get filled, and Dow Jones is now is 650. Okay, we'll just see whether this will get stabilized. Okay, Nasdaq is reaching our price 23. Almost 21. Okay, Nasdaq is still not yet filled, so Dow Jones is coming off. Okay, let it get stabilized. Okay, the Nasdaq got filled. And see, the Dow Jones is also coming off. So let's see whether we get stopped out. Okay, we got two orders filled now. Okay, Nasdaq and Dow Jones. Okay, we are still waiting for the market to get stabilized. Uh, let's see. Still, we have not seen the thing yet. If let's say we get stopped out, then we'll try to do a re-entry. Okay. So this Dow Jones, the stop loss, I think we might need to lower it a bit, 600. So maybe we can lower it to 580. Okay, just change the stop loss to 580, and the Nasdaq 680. Just lower the stop by 10 pips, because the reason is sometimes the market is so sensitive, can move a bit thing. So we have reduced the Nasdaq stop by 10 pips, and the Dow Jones we also reduce it by maybe 20 pips. Okay, let's see whether this market stabilizes, turns up. If it turns up, then we'll go for the trade again. If not, then we have to wait for a better entry level again. Okay, so Nasdaq is still moving lower. We have still not seen the base yet. Okay, we have still not seen the base yet. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's say if we get stopped out, then we have to look for a re-entry again. Okay, most likely the re-entry should be somewhere above 650. Okay, we have not seen the stability yet. Okay, because we need to see the price above 730, 740, then we can say that this market has most likely stabilized. Okay, I think it's still breaking the low. Okay, looks like most likely we may get stopped out on this. Okay, let's see the gold. See, gold I think has already reached the target of 36. Okay, it was a failure. I think just now we saw the price breaking the high, but I think the mistake we should have done is, we should have gone for a stop sell at 50 half. I think that one is a mistake. So probably next time I think we'll try to overcome this problem, because it was a failure, because we felt that this market has already seen the base, but looks like it was a failure. Okay, Nasdaq is still weak. Okay, looks like we may get stopped out on the Nasdaq. Okay, let's see. It's trading at 90. $86. Okay, 86. let's see. Try to reduce the Nasdaq stop loss by 5 pips, because we are nearing this thing, and is only is going to be 15 2 more minutes for this weakness to last. So we will try to reduce the stop loss by 5 pips. So we have reduced the stop loss by 66.75. The reason being is we only have one more minute for that weakness to be lasting. But sometimes we have to do this because when the time when the selling forces comes in pretty big, then we may need to do some adjustment, because it's only 1 minute, 2 minute, it might make a big difference. Okay, I think Nasdaq is showing some stability. Okay, showing some stability, but still I wouldn't say we are out of the wood, because it has to show some strength. It has to trade above um, 35 or 40. Then we can confirm, we can say that we have seen the base. Price has to move above 35. Then the Dow, okay, we can go for one more buy. Okay, we'll go for one more buy, and put a stop below 5 5 because it's still showing some weakness. Okay, let's see. I mean, we have not seen the strength yet. Let's see whether this thing, I think this is still moving lower. Okay, looks like the Dow Jones, we got stopped out. Okay, we got stopped out. So we got to do a re-entry. Okay, the next level of entry we are looking at is 520. Okay, we are going to do a re-entry on the Dow Jones. Our stop has to be at 415. Okay, if this 415 breaks, then we should see the price moving lower. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to go for a buy again at 520. Okay, 520 with the stop at 460. Okay, to do a re-entry again. Dow Jones, buy at 460. 3520, 460 stop, and this one we will try to do it later. Okay, 820, we'll just put it as 820. Then expiry, this is 11:30. If your 420 breaks, then the market may go lower. Okay, so that is the thing we got to take note. Nasdaq is also trading near the bottom of the range. Okay, looks like Nasdaq is going to get stopped out. Okay, I think we already got stopped out. So we got to do a re-entry again. Okay, so today I think looks like it's not a good day, I think we have got the gold also reversed. This is also moving against, so we got to be a bit careful now. Okay, let's see how we can recoup our losses. Okay, let me get back into the system. Sometimes this happens, sometimes this happens. Sometimes when we are wrong, of course, this is the thing we got to take note. So we will wait for a better entry. Okay, the Dow Jones, I think we are trying to buy at 520. We'll just try one more time. Okay, if one more time, if we are not able to see this move, then looks like it may go lower. Okay, so as long as this Dow Jones, okay, right now is is going to 550. Yeah. Okay, what we will do? I think we will cancel this order first. Okay, we'll cancel this order first. Then we'll wait for the stability of this thing. Okay, let's see how we can see, because looks like it's testing the low. Okay, it's testing the low. So we have no orders now. We have Nasdaq and Dow Jones and gold. Okay, all the three we got stopped out now. Okay, so we will wait for this market to stabilize. So if the Nasdaq breaks 650, okay, which is already broken, so looks like we may see an extension towards 21590 and 21555. Okay, so what we will do is we will try to go for one more Nasdaq. Sorry, I'm showing the wrong screen. Okay, so it's already broke the previous low. So it's already broke the previous low, and market is moving some more weakness. Okay, so the next support we can see is 2150. Okay, 2150, and the Dow Jones, I think we should see the market stabilizing before 480. Okay, we should see the market stabilizing before 480, and Nasdaq looks a bit weak, so probably we should see the 21505 as our next buying point. Okay, let me it's already broke the support, so we should see some more weakness coming in for Nasdaq. Okay, so okay, Dow Jones looks a bit steady compared to Nasdaq, because I think it has not broke the previous day low. So I think we should be looking to buy somewhere near 505. Then 415 should be our stop loss. So let's see, we get some stability here, then we do a re-entry. So we are trying to do a re-entry on the Dow Jones and Nasdaq. Does US dollar come down, futures also will come down? No, actually sometimes this are correlated to the dollars, sometimes it doesn't. So it's not always it happens in that manner. Okay, so we just have to see this market stabilizing, then we can have a better entry point. Okay, so looks like as I said, I got to do a projection. That means where is the low? Then we can be pretty sure that this market has seen the low. So if this is the low, market should not go below 505. So right now is 540, 535. Okay, Dow Jones is still moving lower, and Nasdaq is also moving lower. Okay, is also moving lower. So we got to wait. I see, either we should have shorted, but I think we have already moved, and we are already into the wrong side of the market. Okay, we are already in the wrong direction of the market. So we got to see the market stabilizing or seeing some stability, then we can be pretty sure that okay, this market is going to move higher. So as of now, okay, we still feel that the low is yet to be seen. Okay, it is still testing the lows. Okay, since it's already testing the lows, we should have to, I mean, we should be give some time, wait for this thing to turn. Okay, so let's see whether this is stabilizing. As of Nasdaq, okay, this all are showing weakness. You know, all are showing weakness. Okay, this is like we are in the wrong side of the market. Okay, we are in the wrong side of the market. Actually, what we were expecting was we were expecting this market to show some strength, then eventually come down. You know, but market is moving the other way. That means it's showing weakness first before the strength is seen. So that is where we were wrong and we were seeing the thing. Okay, let's see, let's see. I mean, we still have like another 1 more minute for this time belt to finish. Okay, so what we can do is okay, this first 30 minutes has is already finished. So let's see. Because I'm for Dow Jones is fine. You know, I'm a buyer above 480, but Nasdaq looks pretty weak. Okay, this is still coming off. I think we would have to wait. We would have to wait. Really wasted. Actually, we should have gone for a short, but I was I was like presuming that this correction up is still not over yet. So that is where we went wrong. Okay, the Nasdaq, the next halt we can expect is 480 or 460. Okay, we'll have an eye on 460, yeah. For Nasdaq, and even 405. Okay, the Dow broke breaking 440. Okay, we have yet to see the low. We have yet to see the low, and I think we are already concentrating on this. We also missed the move on the gold. Okay, hold on. Okay, the gold broke that support as well. Okay, the Nasdaq thing is reaching almost the next target 21400. Okay, 400. Let's see how long is left. I think we already missed a big move. Okay, because I think here, I mean, the only mistake was we thought it can go up first, then come down, but I think we missed a big move. Okay, gold is also coming off. So what we will do we have to see to go for a buy. Okay, but this is still within the range. $18.21. It dropped to the low of 21. Okay, now we are seeing some stability in Nasdaq. Okay, let me see. I told you about 460, but I think it went to a low of 430. Okay, so now we can go for a buy at 460. Okay, go for a buy at 460. Stop at 420. Okay, let me key in this order. Okay, we are seeing this stability. Nasdaq, go for a buy at 460 and stop below the low. The TP, I think we will put it later, okay, but as of now we'll just put it as 580. Expiry until 12 o'clock. The same thing, Dow Jones, you can go for a buy at 480. Okay, right now I think it went to a low of 420. So we'll try to buy at 480, stop at 405. Okay, TP, we'll try to put it as 640. Just put it as of now, then later we'll do the adjustment. Okay, let me key in the order. You let me know once the order is filled. Okay, we are trying to buy Dow Jones at 480 and Nasdaq at 460. Okay, we can put in one more order. Okay, now right now I think we have already missed that. Looks like today we have missed both sides. Again, we are trying to buy Nasdaq and Dow Jones. If you are an aggressive trader, to Nasdaq, I think we can buy it higher as well, but the problem is, the stop loss. Hold on, let me see how we can get the stop loss. Okay, looks like we have missed that both the entries. Just give me a minute. I think we should have bought at 460. Yeah, we missed it earlier on. We can try to buy one more at 530. Yeah, hold on. I'll give you the call. Okay, 530. The stop loss is where it's going to be a bit difficult. Okay, we'll try to buy at 480. Yeah, Nasdaq. I think we put it as 460, right? So the one will raise it to 480, and the stop loss is still the same, 420, and TP we can put it as 720. Okay, we'll put it slightly higher. So if you are an aggressive trader, you may want to even buy at 505. Okay, I'll leave it to you, but we can go for a buy because looks like we may have seen the low for Nasdaq. Because if the price can go above 21650, then for sure we can call it the low is confirmed. Because right now this is broke the previous support, and right now we are seeing the market pulling back. So we just have to see whether we are able to see further strength. So there is a high chance. Okay, there is a high chance that this might be the low, because we are seeing this all the conditions that is needed, because it's already like oversold, and market looks like we may see a correction up. For confirmation, we need to see the price breaking above 21585. Okay, if we see the price breaking above, then we can confirm that this is going to be the low. But if this high doesn't break, then we may see the price moving and testing one more time to the downside. Okay, for the Dow Jones, okay, Dow Jones looks like we have seen the low. Okay, looks like we have already seen the price is already moving up. So what we can do, we are trying to buy for Dow Jones at 480. So probably we can go for a buy at 520, slightly higher. Slightly higher. Okay. 730. Okay, we should see the price moving towards 730, but 630, 640 has to break. So if it breaks, then we can see 730 or even higher on Dow Jones. Okay, we should see. So this one, there is a likely chance that this might be the low, and we should see the price moving higher to test this, or even break higher this level. Okay, 730 should be your next resistance. Okay, Nasdaq, we are seeing a low. Okay, we are trying to buy at 480. Okay, looks like 520 might be the. Let me see. We have still got 5 more minutes. Okay, today looks like we are in the wrong direction of the wrong side of the market. Okay, I think our Nasdaq is filled. No, sorry, this is Dow Jones. Okay, uh, we wait for a few more minutes. Okay, the Dow Jones, sorry, the Nasdaq, we're seeing at 510 now. Still, we have 2 more minutes for this correction to be over. We'll see whether our order may get filled. One more minute. So I think the new time belt for the 15-minute is already started. Okay, let's give ourselves one last attempt on this. Okay, we are trying to buy at 480. Okay, change it to 500. Okay, change it to 500 and stop at 430. Give ourselves one last try on going for this trade. Okay, 5215005. Sorry, 505 430 21730. Okay, this is the last attempt we are going to do. If we get it, we will take. Otherwise, I think we have to end the session with nothing, empty. Okay. Anyone got filled? Thing looks like it's 2025. See, we are trying to buy somewhere slightly above, but unfortunately, we are not getting the price filled. Okay, I think we got our order filled. Okay, let's see. Let's see whether we are seeing any stability here. If we are losing again, then I think we have to forget it. So today we are not. It's not a day for us. Okay. So I think our order got filled. Let's see whether the market is pushing higher. Okay, it's moving still lower. Let's say we got stopped out again. I think we'll forget today, because today looks like the market is not moving as expected. Okay, so what we will do is we will just try to put these two orders. We're not going to give any add-on trades because we are not in front of the screen, and also see whether this order is filled. If it's filled, we'll take it. Otherwise, we let go and we'll see you again tomorrow. Okay. And today looks like it's not a day, and I think we have lost one time, and gold also. I think we were in the wrong side because initially I thought it was a breakout higher, but it failed. But I think the mistake we did was we should have gone for a stop sell, okay, which I think is my mistake. So my apologies for this. I hope it doesn't happen again. We'll try to improve on this. Okay. Well, definitely this gold would have been a better bet. We would have made money, but this too would have been lost. But I think we got to get back on track. And anyway, this is what is business about, and we got to keep going. So gold, okay, gold is still in a range. I'm just telling you, this gold is still in a range, but today might be a bit on the weakness side. Okay, if you want, I'll just share with you the chart. This is still within the range. This is still within the range. We have yet to see any correction started. So I think we can still see the price testing the highs. Okay, we can still see the price testing the highs, but we have to wait for some more clue or some more direction. Okay, before I end the session, okay, this S&P, sorry, Nasdaq, we're looking at 15-minute. So 15-minute right now, this is within the range. So if this high doesn't break 85, then I think we should see the price testing the low. Okay, but if this high breaks, then we can see the low confirmed, and we should see the price heading towards 730 minimum or even higher. So just pay attention another 15 minutes to see whether that 5185.90 breaks. Okay, if it really breaks, then we can see that this is the low is confirmed. Then as for the Dow, okay, looks like, okay, we are, I think the 520 is filled. Okay, so it's the same scenario. We should see the price breaking the 605 and 635. If this two level breaks, then this is the low, and we can confirm that this is the low, and we can see the price moving higher towards 730 minimum or even 810 or higher. But on the other hand, if the price breaks lower below this level, then the low is yet to be confirmed. So I think we are already in both the trades. So what we want to tell you is try to focus to see whether the price is moving higher, and once it moves higher, try to raise your stop, so at least we don't lose this money unnecessarily. But of course, the best thing is we got to see the price breaking 610 for Dow and 585 for Nasdaq. Okay, right now it's 510. We should see 585 or 605, something that level. Then we can be pretty sure that the low is seen and this moves back into the range. So good luck for those people who have taken the trades, who have taken the trade. I know we have lost, but I think there is always another day to come back and big, and we'll try to resolve this issue. Okay, because I think we should have, the only thing is the gold we should have done some good move, but I think we missed on that. Okay, so see you again tomorrow. Bye.